This guide provides a detailed walkthrough on how to install a Hikvision reader and Enrol Tagholders. Install and license the Hikvision reader in the Access Portal Server application. Click on Biometric Install and select Hikvision from the drop-down list. You can scan an IP range or a subnet. When the reader is discovered, select it and click on Install Selection. If the reader is already included in your software license, it will be displayed at the top under Biometric Configuration. However, if the reader appears at the bottom, export the locked file. Subsequently, send this file along with your server's machine ID and UUID addresses to your distributor to request a license. Now that the reader is installed, you can enroll tagholders. Navigate to the enrollment menu and select Tag Holder. Select a tag holder from the list. A tag code will be linked to the facial template. We'll begin by adding a tag. Click on Add Tags, then on Enrollment Wizard, select Enroll Card, and choose an option from the list. I will use a random personal access code. Choose if you want to save this enrollment method as a favorite or not, and click on Save. Now that a tag code is generated, we can move forward with enrolling the face. Simply click on the Enrollment Wizard to get started. Select Enroll Face. Select Hikvision Face. Select the Hikvision device that will be used for enrollment, and choose if you want to save this enrollment method as a favorite or not. The tag holder will now present their face to the reader. When the face is successfully enrolled, click on Save. Let's test the integration. Navigate to the dashboard menu and select Transactions. The tag holder can now unlock the door simply by presenting their face to the reader. The guide covered essential steps in installing Hikvision readers and doing enrollment.